Hello and welcome to this course. As you can see here, we have 4 green candles and the last one crossed the VWAP down to up to form the signal we're looking for. Now waiting for the open of the new candle. Just stay calm, watching the movement of the market and no need to take any action right now. As you can see, the last candle gave us a good signal that the price will continue to our side. No need to take any action right now. And as you also here we have a good volume that's confirm the orientation of the market, and that means that the price will push that the volume will push the price in our side. Okay, just waiting for the new. Okay, and now we open our buy position and watching the movement of the price. This is our resistance level, as you can see here, and this is the temptation number 3 to break this level. That's why we have more probability that this level will be broken soon. You don't want a single trade to cause a lot of damage to your account. You also don't want one day to ruin your week or month. Therefore, set a daily loss limit. One possibility is to set it at 3% of your capital. If you are risking 1% or less on each trade, you will need to lose 3 trades or more with no winners to lose 3%. With a sound strategy, that shouldn't happen very often. Once you hit your daily cap, stop trading for the day. Once you are consistently profitable, set your daily loss limit equal to your average winning day. For example, if you typically make $500 on winning days, then you are allowed to lose $500 on a losing days. If you lose more than that, stop trading. The logic is that we want to keep daily losses small so that the loss can be easily recovered by the typical winning day. And as I said before, the risk related to this account is less than 0.5%, and 10,000 euro in this account is my daily limit. That's why you need to set your own risk management strategy. As you can see, the price push up and try to break this resistance level. Stay calm and watch the movement of the market and be ready for the next move. No doubt, scalping is a high-risk trading approach. That's why you need to be ready and act fast to avoid big losses. Waiting for the new candle to open. If the current candle can't break this level, we need to close this trade. But as you can see, we are with a deep movement pushed by the moving average, who played the role of a support level in this case. Yet, if you live and breathe trading and you have the discipline to buy when you should and sell when you should, scalping and trading might be worth a shot. In this game, all about discipline. You need to respect your plane to achieve your long-term trading goal. Okay, as you can see, the price push up, and it's a good sign that this candle will break this level. As you can see, the price push up, waiting for the next candle to open. All what we need in this level is to stay calm, watching the market and focus all our energy to identify signals, and that's tell us if the price continue in this orientation or not. Having a strong base of knowledge about how trading works will set you up to make better decisions, both long term and on the fly. By gaining technical prowess about how trading works, you can be better able to navigate the many curveballs that will be thrown your way throughout the course of a trade and react in a calm manner. With trading, educating yourself can prove helpful in allowing you to minimize risk and make smarter decisions, and this course is an important part to achieve that. Now new candle opened, we need to see the end shape of this candle. After that, we take a decision to close this position or to maintain it. Anyway, we have more than 500 euros as a benefit. The last candle will close in few seconds. As you can see, this candle is an decisional candle. a signal that the price maybe will go down. That means we need to close this position as soon as possible. Now we stay calm until the current candle close. After that, we close this position. Okay, just stay calm, no need to take any decision, and waiting for the new candle to open, and be ready for any movement of the price. Okay, now new candle opened. Let me just find the best moment to close this position. Okay, I hope that the price go a little bit up. Okay, now closed with a benefit more than 600 euros in less than 45 minutes. Not bad at all. We are really good at something the first time we do it. Trading is no different. Practice is the best and the most reliable way to gain the mental strength. That's why you need to practice this strategy at least for 3 months on a demo account in the same condition that a real account before you go live. Okay, the benefit of this trade is 626 euro. Not bad. The takeaway from this course is to continue refining your trading psychology over time. Consider this your 2 guiding principles. Be disciplined and never stop learning. Thank you and see you in the next course.